ground, I met a very old man. The man carried a spear and an empty day pack called his daily bag. As the old man approached, he threw the spear to the ground as a sign of peace. I have come a great distance, my brothers, and many moons have passed. I have traveled to the place where water speaks with a voice of thunder. I have passed beyond the mist-hidden mountains to the great red plains, and I have traveled to the land that lies beyond the dawn. I would like to rest with you for a while. In return for your kindness, I will tell you the secret of the fire of the sun.
We will gladly take you into our village and give you some food. We have often wondered how to take fire from the sun to keep us warm when the snows come. We would like to be able to warm our food and our bodies. Quickly, everyone, prepare a meal.
A wonderful meal was made, and when everyone had finished eating, the birds gathered around the old man. During the dream time, no one knew how to make fire, so they were very eager to hear him speak.
Now I am old, and my people are scattered like dead leaves in the wind. But I have journeyed to the land that lies beyond the mountains that the sun. There was no water, and the creeks were filled with animals that died from thirst. I nearly died as well. I hurried without rest, afraid that I might not survive. One day, when my tongue was